What if the way you think about food could change how your body responds to it? Not just how satisfied you feel, but how your hunger hormones react, how full you get regardless of the calories. There's a fascinating study that reveals how powerful our mindset is when it comes to food. And today we're gonna explore it together, along with simple, gentle shifts you can make to nourish both your body and your mind. Hi, I'm Merve. I'm a dietitian specializing in sport nutrition. Welcome to this space where we nourish our mind, body, and soul. Today, we will look at a study that might change the way you think about nutrition. Well, at least it has changed mine a lot. Get ready because by the end of this video, you may change your whole relationship with food. Okay, this study was conducted by Dr. Alia Crum from Stanford University Mind Body Lab. What they found was fascinating. Participants were invited to drink a milkshake twice with a week apart. The first week, they were told they were drinking a rich, indulgent milkshake, labeled 620 calories. The second week, they were told it was a diet, sensible option, labeled 140 calories. Did you get the catch here? Both milkshakes were identical. Same ingredients, same nutritional values, same calories, with different labels. Each week after drinking milkshakes, participants had their ghrelin hormones measured. And here's where it gets really interesting. When they believed they were drinking an indulgent milkshake, their ghrelin levels has dropped significantly, signaling to their brain they were full and satisfied. Whereas when they believed they were drinking a diet milkshake, their ghrelin levels barely changed and their bodies acted as though they had eaten almost nothing. So according to the study, their body's response wasn't based on what they drank, but what they thought they were drinking. Let's break mind-food connection down even further. Our brain processes food in two ways, physically and psychologically. When we say physical processes, you can think of calories, nutrients, energy. And when we say psychological processes, you can think of labels, the story, social and cultural messages we associate with food. When we label foods as bad, good, cheat, indulgent diet, we create a mental script in our head that overrides our natural hunger cues, which causes a miscommunication between our brain, our body, and our hormones. What this study teaches us is profound. Our bodies doesn't just respond to food itself. It responds the story we tell ourselves about that food, what we think about our meals, what labels we give them, what emotions we attach. These are all shapes how our body processes them. Our words create our thoughts. Our thoughts shape our emotions. Our emotions influence our physical processes, such as our hormones, digestion, metabolism. Okay, so how can we use this knowledge to nourish ourselves better? Let's look at the mindset shifts we can make. Notice the way you talk about food. You may have heard the quote from Gandhi, "Your thoughts become your words. Your words become your actions. Your actions become your habits. Your habits become your values, and your values become your destiny." Now let me explain this mindset shift with an example. You feel snacky and you look at two options available in hand, which are an apple and a chocolate. Your food story starts playing in your head. This is an indulgent food and this one is too boring. But after this video, you decide to rewrite your food story. Instead of saying this is a cheat food, you change it to this is a chocolate, not a substitute for a meal, but I can have it whenever I feel like it. For the apple, rather than saying this is a diet food, this apple is a whole food with many nutrients, and whole foods are my main source of nutrition. When you change the way you think about food, you change how your body responds to it. Focus on its texture, its color, its crispiness, its warmth. Actually be present with it. So before you go, take a moment to reflect. How do you talk about your foods? What do you think about the foods you eat? And reassess the words you use for the food. I wonder how many of you think if something has more calories, it will more likely to be delicious. So please comment down below. If you just take one lesson from this video, let it be this. Your mindset about food matters, even more than you might think. And the best part is, you can definitely shift it. You can shift it in a way that actually serves you. In today's video, we talked about nutrition mindset connection. And in the next one, we're gonna talk about mindset exercise connection, which will blow your mind even further. So if you're interested in, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. All the related information about today's topic will be in the description box below. So that's it for today. I hope you give the nourishment you deserve to your mind, body, and soul. See you.